Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a short trip you often take but do not like. You should say, where did you go for the trip? Who did you go with? What did you do? And explain why you don't like the trip.
I often take a short trip to visit my relatives in a nearby city. I typically go with my parents and spend the weekend with my extended family. However, I don't particularly enjoy this trip for a few reasons. First, the journey itself is tiring and uncomfortable. I have to drive for several hours, which is stressful and boring. Additionally, I usually get stuck in traffic, which makes the trip even longer and more frustrating. Second, I often feel overwhelmed by the amount of socializing and family activities that I have to do during the weekend. My relatives are friendly and welcoming, but I feel drained by the constant interaction and the pressure to be social. Finally, I miss my regular routine and feel like I'm missing out on other activities or events happening in my own city. I find it hard to relax or enjoy myself fully when I'm out of my element and away from my usual comforts. In summary, my short trip to visit relatives is tiring and overwhelming for me. While I value spending time with family, the journey, social expectations, and disruption to my regular routine make the trip less enjoyable. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.